days.
Hey, what's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. Got another round here today with Island Bros Disc Golf. You're probably asking yourself, yes, we're still at the coast. Yes, that is snow behind us. We got hit with a historical snowstorm this weekend. Where I live at in Ocean Isle and where Brian's at, we actually ended up with about 15 inches of snow. Today we're here at Leland Disc Golf Course, and I think they got about 5 or 6 inches of snow, something like that. This is crazy here at the coast for us. We don't typically see stuff like this, so we figure we try and get out today and play around in it.
Yeah, so first snow round. Going to be interesting. Never played in the snow before, so we'll see what happens. Yeah, I'm kind of excited, but it's cold out here. I think it's like 30 degrees, so it's gonna be brittle.
All right, man. Hole 1, 252 feet. Just hyzer out to the left. Baskets got a Mando through these trees, and then baskets out to the left behind that tree. Over that way. So. Not bad.
Alright, so I'm just driving hole 1.
I think I parked it.
I think you parked it, bro.
You know we got to ride with that one, bro. Brian's second shot here in hole 1. Oh, hit the box. Man, that elevated basket is something. Got me a little park job here. I think this might be my first time ever birdieing this hole.
Good bird.
Snowbird. All right, here we are at hole 2. Sign's right there. You can't see it. No, I'm just kidding. There's no sign. It's like hole 2. It's about 200 feet. This hole's kind of cool. It's a big hyzer out to the left over here, and the basket. It's an island. And it's hard to see it all right now, but might help if I would have zoomed in some at least. But yeah, it's an island. We're gonna attack. Oh, I saw it skip in there.
Good skip, bro.
Yeah, that skipped hard. Rip locked it, man. Same thing I did.
It's a good bid. Birdie. Decent tree kick, I guess.
Yeah, I think it kept you in play.
Give me a shot at it.
Damn. Oh. I can work with it.
Sean's birdie attempt on 3.
That's a 4. Brian's second shot, hole 3. 125-foot par 3. Basket's down in there to the right. Yeah, there she is right there. Oh, it didn't come out of there.
Nope. I'll drive here on 4. Forehand fireball.
So much higher.
Bang. Good par.
Hole 5, 172-foot par 3. Basket is down that away and to the right. Over there.
Good bid.
Hole 6, short little hole, 167 feet. In there to the left. Not bad.
Putt for birdie at least. Good bid.
Hole 7, 292-foot par 3. Probably one of the longer ones here. I'm not for sure, but basket is behind that tree right there. Flying high. Not bad.
Any dry spot at least. Fade back out.
Not terrible.
No.
Little turn on it.
Yeah.
Oh.
Good bid. Sean's a little long birdie attempt. Had a really good drive. Just a little too far right. Didn't fade out for him. But
all right, we got hole 8, 300-foot par 3. Another long shot. There's a little Mando right there on the right. Basket's over that way.
Captain's Thrasher. Send it long. Oh, low.
Sitting in there.
Damn.
You see it go through that? That was a horrible throw. It'll be all right.
Turn it over.
Oh, 197 feet, par 3. Basket's in here to the right.
All right.
Ten, 257 foot par 3 down through the winding fairway.
Ooh, it got denied in the ground. No skip.
Hole 11, 150 foot, pretty short hole, but a lot of tree play. The basket is in through these trees. It's like right behind these trees right here. It's hard to see in there. You can kind of see the yellow band. See if we can sneak up in there.
Like a good tree kick, huh?
Got me a nice little bird.
Yeah. Got me a nice little snow bogue.
Hole 12. This is the final hole. It's only there's only 12 holes here at the Leland Disc Golf Course. This hole is also the only par 4 here. It's about 450 feet, but it's way up the hill. Pretty much straight out, a little bit to the left, but back towards the parking lot.
decent. Came back out. Oh, nice putt, man. Way to get that birdie.
All right, y'all. That was the Leland Disc Golf Course in the snow.
Not as fun as we expected. It's a lot to keep cleaning your disc, and we didn't play well at all. But it was a fun time just to be out and experience the snow for the first time, because we usually don't get snow like this on the coast where we're at. It is what it is. It's not great, but you know, we had a good time, kinda.
Hey, what's up, man? Just wanted to add a little bit to our outro. We threw some good shots. We threw mostly bad shots, pretty typical for our rounds. A little added challenge with the snow, which we expected, but we just wanted to get out there and have fun in it. Honestly, getting towards like hole 3, by hole 3, my towel was already soaking wet, and it was no longer drying off the discs. The snow was basically frozen to my towel. So yeah, a little added challenge with the snow. 1 out of 10, would not recommend. But it was fun. We'll probably never get that chance again. I mean, it rarely snows down here at the beach, so kind of a once in a lifetime opportunity to play one of our local courses with some snow on it. So, and we appreciate you guys watching. Like always, we really do. And we'll see you on the next round. Later.